Hey everyone, having trouble with your T-Mobile data? It's a common problem and usually fixable. Let's break down the main reasons why your data might not be working. APN issues, LTE problems, and roaming errors. First, what are these? APN, or access point name, is like the key that unlocks T-Mobile's data network for your phone. If it's wrong or missing, no data. LTE is the 4G technology that gives you high-speed internet. A weak signal or network congestion can cause problems. Roaming happens when you're outside T-Mobile's coverage area and using another network, like Verizon. If your settings are off, you might get roaming errors. The most common causes? Software updates on your phone can sometimes mess up your APN settings. Temporary outages during storms or high usage times can also cause LTE and roaming problems. A quick reset often works, but more on that in a bit. Remember these key points. APN is your data network key. LTE needs strong signals. Roaming requires correct settings. And always check for updates and outages first. Let's start with the first step, checking your signal and network mode. Open your phone's settings, go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. Make sure it's set to LTE 3G and 2G auto, and look at your signal bars. If they're weak, try moving to a different spot for better reception. Now for step 2, resetting your APN. This is often the key fix. Navigate to Mobile Data, then Access Point Names. You should see T-Mobile's settings. If missing, add them manually. Here's what the APN should look like. Just the name and APN field filled in, no username or password needed. Step 3 is straightforward. Toggle airplane mode. Turn it on for about 15 seconds, then turn it off. Also, give your phone a full restart. This refreshes your network connections and can clear up temporary glitches. For step 4, update your carrier settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, General, About. If there's a carrier settings update available, install it. Android users, open the T-Mobile app and check for any available updates. This ensures your device has the latest network configurations. Finally, an advanced tip for Android users. To force LTE only, dial *#** 4636 ###, go to Phone Information, and set preferred network type to LTE only. Also, download the Network Cell Info app to monitor your signal in real time. These can help with stubborn data problems.